towards the obstacles we face today in terms of sexual discrimination, racial discrimination and injustice of any sort. So we're just trying to come up with a whole new world where everybody is united and we're all voicing our concerns towards one and only cause, which is the cause of humanity.
So this year's theme is A Brave New World, and according to me it means to be able to walk freely and independently without any fear, whether you be a man or woman.
The changing landscape, political landscape of the country, with that we'll change this time. What has never been ever done before, we'll try to do that. We'll try to do it differently. We'll try to take a bold step ahead this time at Simba of 2014.
Courage.
Brave New World is a place for me where I can look up and be free, and somewhere like if I say my mind, no one is going to kill me or lock me up in a room or say that go get married. That's Brave New World for me.
Spirit of humanity.
Okay, so the theme this year is Brave New World for Simba of 2014, and it's based on the novel by Aldous Huxley that talks about a dystopian future where people are not exactly happy, but they're made to feel that they are by the ruling masses, ruling class. But our fest is taking a satirical view of this. As a law school, we're supposed to hold a higher moral ground and look at the world more objectively.
Spirit of friendship.
So the beauty of having a theme like Brave New World is that it can be interpreted by people in whatever way they want. So for the more artistically inclined, it could be, you know, a way to come up with new ideas, or for the socially inclined, it could be a social initiative.
The feeling of being together.
It took humans like 10,000 years to develop like fire, then like 100,000 years to go ahead and make the wheel. And humans have evolved so slowly. But look at the world now. Look at the world now. We have like mobile phones and watches and whatnot, and little things that fix your eyesight. I mean, it's great. Brave New World, moving into a world where everything's new and fresh and fresh innovation.
Basically, we are focusing on youngsters. Youngsters, they are a part of the fest. So how they are changing the world, the society, and everything. So basically, we are focusing on change with fun.
Brave New World in its very literal sense means there are a lot of complexities when it comes to our world, there are a lot of differences, extremities when it comes to our world. So it's basically a combination of the best of both worlds.
And I just think it's a new world, it's a changed world, it's a world where people can achieve what they want without having to think of obstacles and without having to think of any other things which may get in their way.
Brave New World, feminism.
We are rising up, we are doing what we want. It's the rise of revolution.
A world where a gay man can go out with his partner in public and not be shunned.
A world in which women can do what they want and not be judged, and people who judge them can go to hell.
Being brave is not doing something when others aren't doing it. Being brave is doing something despite others not doing it.
Once I had a dog. His name was George. And one day George went outside and came back with a rabbit. And the rabbit was dead. And it was a neighbor's rabbit. I knew it. So I took the rabbit back to the house. And then I just kept it there as if it would be playing with, you know, carrots and shit. And then I got a call the next day.
Story.
Yeah, but the dog, so he killed the rabbit. I thought he killed the rabbit. But the rabbit wasn't really dead. But the rabbit was actually dead. And that's what the neighbor told me. He had died of natural causes. And I was trying to do something that I wasn't supposed to do. This is what
unnecessarily for the rabbit.